Welcome to our channel Shantanya Success and Team. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday means maths. Today we are going to study about numbers in mathematics. First, everyone will be saying numbers, numbers, numbers. Do you know what is the meaning of numbers? Number means it is a mathematical object. Number is a mathematical object in which we can measure and count the things. That is the definition of number. Next, in numbers, do you know how many types are there? There are many types of numbers. Let us see one by one what are those and how. First, natural numbers. Natural numbers means they are the numbers which can be counted from 1, starting from 1. 1 to infinity is natural numbers. And whole number means whole number includes 0. That's all. Same natural numbers means it is from 1 to infinity. But here whole number means 0 then 1 to infinity. The natural number when we include 0 it will become whole numbers. Now we will go to integers. We will see integers. What are integers? Natural numbers including 0 will be whole numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers including the negative part will be integers. Integer means all the negative numbers, 0, then all the positive numbers up to infinity on both the sides. It will be called as integers. Next, rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers means these are the numbers which can be in the fractional form. They have to be written in the P by Q form where Q will not be equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0 means denominator of any fraction cannot be 0. So rational numbers means it may be any number which is written in the form of fraction. Those numbers are rational numbers. Coming to irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means they are the numbers which cannot be written in the form of fraction. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of a fraction, they are called as irrational numbers. For example, root 2. It is a number, it cannot be written in form of fraction. Next, coming to the real numbers. All the rational numbers and irrational numbers are mashup or mixedly called as real numbers. Next, coming to the complex numbers. Complex numbers means these are the numbers which can be written in A plus BI form. Complex numbers means these are the numbers which can be written in A plus BI form. So here in A plus BI, A and B are numbers only. A and B can be any of the real number. And I means it is an imaginary number. I is an imaginary number. Means I square value is -1. I square value is -1 in complex numbers. These are complex numbers. Complex numbers means the numbers which can be written in the form of A plus BI. Now let us see in which alphabet these numbers are represented. First, natural numbers. Natural numbers means they are represented by N. Z. Rational numbers. Rational numbers which can be written in P by Q or the fractional form where Q is not equal to 0. So these rational numbers alphabet which can be represented is Q, and irrational numbers. Next, real numbers. Real numbers have got the alphabet to represent R. Then complex numbers. These complex numbers are represented by A plus BI form where A plus B, A and B are any number and I is an imaginary number. So I square will be equal to minus 1. And the other special numbers. Special numbers. They are even numbers. What are even numbers? Each and every number which is divisible by 2, that is called as a even number. And odd numbers. The numbers which are not even numbers are known as odd numbers. Means the numbers whichever they will not be divisible by 2, those numbers are called odd numbers. Next, prime numbers. Prime numbers means they are the numbers those who have only 2 factors. Prime numbers should have only 2 factors, means they should be divisible by only 2 numbers. Which are those? They should be divisible by 1 and itself. The numbers which are divisible by only 1 and itself. There will be no any other factor which is divisible for prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. All these numbers are prime numbers which they have only the 2 factors. Those are 1 and the number itself. Next, composite numbers. Composite number means they are the numbers which are not prime numbers. Non-prime numbers are called as composite numbers. Means the number which have more than 2 factors. The numbers which have at most, the numbers will have 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors, the number and itself, 1 and itself is prime number. More than 2 factors when the number is having, those numbers are called composite numbers. For example, we can take 9. The 9, it will have how many? 3 factors. For 9, we can take 1 is a factor, 9 is itself, it is a factor, and 3 is also a factor of 9. So, more than 2 factors when a number contains, then it is a composite number. This is a diagram, map representation in which you can remember all the numbers. First is natural numbers. Natural numbers are included in whole numbers only if you add 0 to natural number, it will be whole number. Then if you add all the negative numbers to the whole numbers, it will become integer. Then if you add denominator to these integers, then it will become a rational number. Then all these, the numbers which will not come in all this, they numbers you have to remember.